If you want to learn how to buy shares of Masterbeef Group, this short guide will show the practical steps. Masterbeef Group is a meat processing and distribution company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MB. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy MB, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and then add funds to your account before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MB to find Masterbeef Group. Select the result that clearly shows NASDAQ and the MB ticker to ensure you have the correct listing. On the asset page, check the company overview and the price chart to understand recent movement and basic company details. Confirm the page shows Masterbeef Group on NASDAQ with ticker MB, so you are looking at the right stock. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Carefully review the order details and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be placed as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio so you can monitor it there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.